Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself, my name is Bagus Sapiensa. In this video, I will to explain material about PPh pasal 25. Yang pertama itu, in the first, understanding PPh pasal 25. What is PPh pasal 25? PPh pasal 25 represent a structured approach to tax payment management in Indonesia. Rather than require taxpayer to pay their entire annual income tax liability in one substantial lump sum. PPh Pasal 25 allow payment to be distributed across 12 monthly installments through the current tax year. This mechanism is specifically designed to ease the financial burden on both individual taxpayer and corporate entities by enabling more manageable, predictable cash flow management. The system operates as the payment method within Indonesia tax law, not as a separate of distinct tax type, and recognize the partial reality that many taxpayers face cash flow constraints and benefit from spreading their tax globalization across the year. This approach promotes voluntary consent and reduce financial hardship while ensure the government receivers consistent revenue toward the fiscal year. Next, legal foundation of PPh Pasal 25. PPh Pasal 25 is firmly established within Indonesia comprehensive income tax framework. The legal authority derives from Article 25 allow now 36 years 2008, which represent an amendment to the Foundation Law number 7 of 70 X3 concerning income tax. This legalities basis provided the statutory authority and regulatory framework governing how taxpayers must calculate, pay, and report their monthly installment globalization. Specifically, Article 25 of Law No. 36 2008 establishes the globalization. Taxpayer must pay monthly installment of income tax for the respective tax year. This provision grants more individual taxpayer and corporate entities the formal legal option to fulfill their annual tax globalization to gradual monthly payment rather than waiting until the end of the fiscal year. The law ensures transparency, predictability, and consistency in tax administration across Indonesia diverse business and individual taxpayer population. How much pay PPh Pasal 25? PPh Pasal 25 globalization apply to a broad the specific category of Indonesian taxpayer. The requirement primary affect taxpayer engaged in business activities, encompassing both individual entrepreneur and corporate entities of all sizes. Moreover, the globalization is not universal. Why? Next, how is the installment amount calculated? The monthly PPh Pasal 25 installment calculation follow a straightforward mathematical formula established by Indonesian tax law. The process begins with the tax payable amount documented in the taxpayer preferred year's annual tax return. or SPT. From this base figure, taxpayers subtract all eligible tax credit, specifically those from PPh Article 2021, 22, 23, professional holding, and 24. This net amount represents the actual tax globalization requiring monthly installment payment. The resulting net tax is then divided by 12 months to determine the monthly installment amount. For taxpayer whose SPT has not yet been filed, that the regulation provides an alternative. Monthly installment equal the final installment amount from the immediately preceding year. Additionally, if tax assessments are received by tax authorities during the current year, adjustment to the installment calculator becomes possible, allowing the taxpayer to modify their monthly payment of globalization to reflect the reassessment. Next, practical example of PPh Pasal 25 calculation. Understanding PPh Pasal 25 become clear through a concrete real-world example. Consider of corporate taxpayer whose provider years host specific tax globalization and credit with a document tax payable of ADR 50 million from the previous years. The taxpayer had receivers various Y. Okay, next, payment of reporting globalization. Timely payment of PPh Pasal 25 installment is a critical legal obligation for Indonesia taxpayer, as monthly installment must be paid by the 50 day of the following month. For example, the January installing of the by February 50, the February installment by March 50, and so on throughout the year. This consistent deadline structure provides the taxpayer with predictable schedule and tax authoring with reliability revenue timing. A summary and important of PPh Pasal 25. PPh Pasal 25 represents a fundamental of practice mechanism within Indonesia and income tax system, providing taxpayer with mainly meaningful financial result to the distribution of tax globalization across the calendar year, rather than facing of potentially substantial single payment demand at year end. Taxpayer can play for predictable monthly obligation, improving cash flow management and financial stability. This system and approach benefit taxpayers of all sizes while ensuring steady, reliable government revenue collection. Oke, mungkin saja presentasi yang dapat saya sampaikan. Ya, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.